Because if it was one more, it'd be too farty.
Purposes only. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued this as a test message. Tornado warning for all of Virginia. This is a test message. Until 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, this is a test message. This practice tornado warning for all cities and counties in Virginia is issued as part of the 2015 Virginia statewide tornado drill. Repeat, this is a test tornado warning for Virginia cities and counties only. No severe weather is actually occurring. You should review and implement your severe weather safety procedures at this time. This is a test message. Locations include all cities and counties in Virginia. When a real tornado warning is issued, a tornado has either been sighted or detected by National Weather Service Doppler radar. When a real tornado warning is issued, get to the basement or interior portion of the lowest level of the building. Stay away from windows. Get into a small room such as a closet or bathroom. Get as many walls as possible between you and the outside part of the structure. If you are in a mobile home or older manufactured home, leave it and get into a reinforced building or home, or lie down in a low-lying area. If you are caught outside and see the tornado close to you, try to get into a sturdy building. Otherwise, get into a ditch or ravine. This test tornado warning has been issued as part of Virginia Tornado Preparedness Day. No severe weather is actually occurring. This is a test message. Do not take action based on this message.
Then you're going to put on your malt vinegar homemade slaw. And then you're going to give the sandwich some crunch with a couple of salt and vinegar potato chips. What is up? Yeah! Up next, two viewers are going to compete for one amazing prize right after this.
Purposes only. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued this as a test message. Tornado warning for all of Virginia. This is a test message. Until 10 o'clock a.m. This is a test message. This test tornado warning for all cities and counties in Virginia is issued as part of the 2015 Virginia statewide tornado drill. Repeat, this is a test tornado warning for Virginia cities and counties only. No severe weather is actually occurring. You should review and implement your severe weather safety procedures at this time. This is a test message. Locations include all cities and counties in Virginia. When a real tornado warning is issued, a tornado has either been sighted or detected by National Weather Service Doppler radar. When a real tornado warning is issued, get to the basement or interior portion of the lowest level of the building. Stay away from windows. Get into a small room such as a closet or bathroom. Get as many walls as possible between you and the outside part of the structure. If you are in a mobile home or older manufactured home, leave it and get into a reinforced building or home, or lie down in a low-lying area. If you are caught outside and see the tornado close to you, try to get into a sturdy building. Otherwise, get into a ditch or ravine. This test tornado warning has been issued as part of Virginia Tornado Preparedness. This is a test message. Do not take action based on this message.
Toll free 1-855-333-5635.
What makes us the largest used car dealer in town? Selection.